Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through what each building is. So when you arrive, you already got a lay of the land. So right here, this house right here, this building, it's food storage. You know, we do some barbecue on there, some smoking and whatnot. But it's mostly food storage for our chef and baker. Over this side, this is a change house. We're just on the middle of changeover, so we're actually just finished cleaning up, and cabins are all getting cleaned and guys are kind of getting ready to go scouting tonight. New guests come in. But this is a change house, so in there it's like a hockey locker room. All your camo and boots and shells and guns all sit in there. I'll just show you real quick. Pretty basic, but it contains everything that basically that you're using during the day that could get muddy. So everything gets muddy in here, keeps the cabins clean, keeps the lodge clean. So it's my favorite building by far. So basically what we have is we have 5 acres. It's all fenced in with page wire. We have we got whitetail, we got elk, moose, bear, all in the country kind of thing. But so it's nice to have that fence just to keep the odd coyote or bear out of the property. But everything's kind of self-contained. Right here we have a fire pit. Sometimes, you know, after a hunt, we'll have a big fire and have a couple beers after the day. And you kind of see that building right there with the flag, green building. It's that's our skeet range. So that's high house, and then behind the barn we have low house, and it's all, we laid it out to it's a legal range. So it's a lot of fun. So most guys shoot midday. So when you come home for your morning hunt, we have lunch, and then you got about 2 hours in between hunts. So some guys will just go to the skeet range and not necessarily shoot skeet, but just shoot maybe the shot that they were missing all morning kind of thing. So just practicing. It's compliments, it's on us. So we have shells, we have actually A400 skeet guns, are super nice. So you can use those, or you can use the gun that you brought up to shoot birds with. But it's a lot of fun. They're, what are they, 400 capacity Atlas throwers, and it's a wireless remote. So you can literally just stand there with a remote and just practice your shot by yourself. You really don't need anybody to do it. But this is our bird wall. You've probably seen a few shots that we've put on here. But yeah, so end of the day, you know, or in the morning kind of thing, we'll hang everything up, get a few shots, get the Canada flag in there. That's where we are. And yeah, so inside the barn, it's kind of our space. We have a bird room in the back, a lot of freezers. It's where we chill our birds before they go to the abattoir. And it's just roboducks and batteries and all our equipment kind of stuff. So we're just like I said, we're just on changeover day. So all the cabins are getting cleaned right now, getting ready for our crews that come in tonight. We have a lot of trailers. Each one has a reason. I don't have a trailer addiction, but I like a little bit OCD, so it's nice to have all your stuff organized. So if something does come up and we find a amazing pothole hunt, or the cranes have just stacked up in an area, we don't have to ship gear around. We just hook up a trailer and go. We purchased a whole bunch of Sims waders here, and it's just easier if we provide the waders than you traveling with them. You know, airlines are always making you travel lighter and lighter, so waders are heavy, and so we thought it'd be easier. We'll have them here for you, and we don't, we're going to use them on diver hunts or a pothole hunt or something like that, but it's not all the time, so it's just easier for us to have them if we need them. Okay, let's go in. Come see inside the lodge.
This is the guy. How did you like your Ray Charles celebrity hunt?
We're kind of hanging out a little bit.
Yeah, you could have anything. Oh, man.
Okay, let's come on in and see inside the lodge.
We had 10 birds, 3
So it's the sunroom. We kind of hang out here a little
bit. 12 shots?
Yes! Okay, let's go come inside and see the lodge. So it's kind of a sunroom, kind of chill out here at the end of the day a little bit, guides and guests. And then everybody's just having lunch right now. So a little spread, and then that's where we eat. Let's come see the kitchen. Hey Linda, say hi.
Hi.